How to download videos from YouTube on YouTube. So in this video I will show you how to download it to gallery, not just in YouTube. So just follow me in this video till the end. So first guys, you need to upload this application. I'll name it SNAPTUBE. I will keep the link in the description. So you will just come to your YouTube. You are scrolling and you found a video that you wanna download it. So what you can do, you will open the video, for example this video, and then you will come to share. After this it will show you many things. You will scroll this and click on more, and again you will click more. After this, click here SNAPTUBE. As you see, click here on SNAPTUBE. After this, choose if you want a video or audio. Click for example video. I will click here and click download and click not now, and right now your video is starting to download in. So that's it in this video guys. I hope it's useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in other videos.